So in this RBC Direct Investing tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy cryptocurrency on RBC Direct Investing. So once RBC Direct Investing is opened up, I want you to go to the home screen here, go to the bottom, press on the yellow circle, and then press on place order. Once you're on the place order page right here, I want you to type in, or I guess think about the cryptocurrency that you want to invest in. Now, you can't actually buy, like for example, you can't buy Bitcoin itself, or you can't buy Ethereum. So instead, the workaround is you have to buy ETF versions of this. So for example, if you wanted to buy Bitcoin, for example, if you were to go ahead and just type in IBIT, you can go ahead and invest in the iShares Bitcoin ETF, for an example. If you wanted to maybe go for Ethereum, you can go, what's an example here? I think ETHX, I believe, is an Ethereum ETF. So there's a variety of different ones you can do. You can do Solana, so SOLQ. So whatever the case may be, there are ETFs, especially here in Canada, that you can purchase that kind of tracks the crypto. So for example, if I wanted to buy Bitcoin, I'll just go ahead and search up IBIT, then go ahead and press on IBIT or IBIT. Once you're here, go ahead and select the account that you want to invest Bitcoin in, or you want to buy Bitcoin in. So I'll do that right now. Once the account is selected, under action right here, you can go ahead and select either buy or sell. And then you can go ahead and do the order type. So if you wanted to do market order, limit order, stop limit order, whatever the case may be, but I'll go ahead and do that right now. After that is done, you can go to the quantity and search up, I guess, type in how much quantity of this ETF that you wanted to buy. So if you wanted to just buy one, you can do 100, whatever the case may be. It'll then show you the estimated value in Canadian dollars or US dollars, whatever one you decide to buy, the commissions, the total price, and if all looks good and you want to proceed, go to the bottom, press continue to proceed that way. So that is how to invest in cryptocurrency, or how to buy cryptocurrency on RBC Direct Investing. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.